Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to remove from continue watching in Netflix. So basically, we're just gonna be making some changes and removing, the list of series or movies from continue watching. So if you have an account in Netflix, they make things easy for you. So they would actually put, the new releases or what's trending, or it would actually capture the history of the things that you've watched or the movies and series that you've watched. And they also capture what, let's say, similar genre of the things that you've watched. And it would basically give you recommendations on what you need to watch. So but they also capture, continue watching. So what's a good thing about this one is you don't need to search for it again. They actually put this in the first few rows, like on your Netflix account. So now we're going to remove, the videos or movies if I decided to, I don't want these to be shown or be published because, I've already finished it. I just want to clean it up. I'm organized, so I just want to remove it from, from my continue watching. So how you're going to do that is if you look at the episodes or the thumbnails of, this video, guys, you could actually see three dots beside the icon, the or information, not icon, information icon beside it on the right side. So if you click on three dots right there, so it will actually give you an option to, if you want to download, if you're going to give thumbs up, thumbs down, and send recommendations if you really like this. There's an option that says remove from row. So if you're gonna do that, it would give you this message. If you're sure of actually removing this, just hit on remove, and then you can already remove that from continue watching. So there, if you want to learn more about Netflix, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.